Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to use Oxford Music Online, also known as Grove Music Online, to find reliable background information and sources for your music research. This is especially useful when you're starting a new topic or learning about a composer, genre, or musical concept. To access the database, first, from the Bakersfield College homepage, go to Services and Resources and click. Scroll down a little bit and click the Library tab. Scroll down a little bit once more, click the Research tab, and then click Find all of our databases with A to Z databases. The easiest way to get to Oxford Music Online or Grove Music Online is to select music from the course or topic subject. Click Filter, scroll down and click Oxford Music Online. And this is the Oxford Music Online or Grove Music Online homepage. This database gives you access to a scholarly music encyclopedia with articles written by experts with plenty of additional resources. You can use it to learn about composers, genres, instruments, or musical topics. To get started, you can use the search bar at the top of the screen. Here, you can search for a composer, a genre, or a musical term. For example, I'm just going to search for Beethoven. So it will bring up all results that contain Beethoven. So if we want to specifically find Ludwig van Beethoven here, we would click this. And each article includes an overview, historical background, and organized sections, which you can use as a guide on the left side of the screen. You can see here there are plenty of sections in this article here. We have the publication date here, the authors here, we even have images here. And just to show you the extent of this, I'm going to scroll all the way down to the bottom to introduce you to the bibliography section, because this is a really key part of this database. So rather than scrolling all through that, all the sections here that you can see, I'm going to click Bibliography. And what this is the bibliography about Beethoven here lists books and scholarly sources related to the topic that you can explore outside of the Grove Music Online database. Just double check, of course, because some of these are in German, as you can see, but there are plenty of resources here if you are curious or need to find something specific. So there's essays and other related publications, so on and so forth. As you can see, plenty of resources, even letters. So I'm going to go all the way back up and also introduce you to some features that can make it more convenient for you. To download a PDF version of the article to your device, simply click PDF. If you need to cite this article for your paper, you can generate a citation by clicking Cite. And here you can select from APA, MLA, or Chicago. But just a note, always double check these references according to the specific formatting guidelines, because they are not perfect and they may need to be revised. But while you're working on your work, this is a good way to at least keep track of your sources. So either way, you would just click download here. If you wanted to email it to yourself or someone else, or get a share link, you can copy this link right here, or you can email it by clicking the email button. And now I'm going to go back one page and show you another excellent aspect of this database. Oh, I'm sorry, I have to go back to the results screen. There we are. Okay, so if you wanted to extend your search, you can even search for Beethoven here in the Oxford Dictionary of Music and the Oxford Companion to Music. So just gonna open that. And so again, we have 657 results here, so there's quite a bit. But you would just select the person or concept or instrument that you want. And this will also just give you some additional information as well. It's not as comprehensive as the one that I showed you previously on the Oxford Grove website, but still an additional resource that could point you to other sources that may be helpful for you. This also has its own bibliography section here. And I'm just going to go back to the very main page here. If you're not exactly sure where you want to start, or if you're just curious and want to browse, you can also use the options up here, such as topic. You can click that, and they have their own set topics here. You can go to browse all to view all of them, and you could do the same with instruments. So you can see era has all the different eras, region of the world, if there's a specific area you are focusing on, even place type. So you can look up specific buildings even, if you want to look up specific performances, or even occupation. And the last bit I will show you is the advanced search, should you want to combine other terms and concepts beyond just a single search page. For the most part, the simple search will work for you, but if you need to make your search more specific, you can choose the specific kind of term you want to look in the section for, whether it's an author, the headings, something in the bibliography, and more. If you want to look for articles or images, the specific type of the resource, whether you want it biographical, perhaps a family article, or maybe an article on a place, or even just a reference to a subject. Place type, again, we have those places here. And interestingly, we even have life events. We can look up baptisms, births, burials, deaths, and floruis if we wanted to. And you can limit those by a specific date or location. And similarly, we have the topics down here if you want to specifically start looking within a topic as opposed to just searching broadly. And we also have the instruments, again, era, region, occupation, and publication date. So Grove Music Online is best used as a starting point to understand your topic and also to find additional resources, whether through the Grove Music Online database here, the Oxford Dictionary, which I showed you, or the bibliography sections that are at the end of every article. If you have any questions on how to navigate this database or the kind of best ways to go about searching for a specific topic you might have, don't hesitate to reach out to me or any other friendly BC librarian. We are here to help.